Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to sign up for a Clickbank affiliate account in 2025. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here actually you can see there is a platform where you will get affiliate link and you can earn a decent amount of money from this platform. Here you can see almost 6.8 billion commission money already been paid and almost 100,000 active affiliates account activated in that platform. So if you want to start your affiliate income, you can go with this Clickbank account. So here what should you need to do? You just need to click over here, start here to create an account. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then they will give you a couple of options. So here you can see, let's customize your Clickbank experience. Please select the primary reason you sign up for account below, or you can skip this quick start guide, but we will go from the scratch. That's why I will choose one of them. So I am new to all of these and not sure where to start. I want to promote Clickbank products as an affiliate. I will select this one. Then sounds good. Here you can see they provide an words like awesome. Let's make sure you get started promoting Clickbank products in the best way possible. In order to do so, we would like to learn a little bit more about your experience as an affiliate. Just click to the sounds good. Then they will give us another question, that is, do you have experience promoting offers as an affiliate marketer? I would say that no, I'm just getting started. Then what is the biggest factor motivating you to explore affiliate marketing? Earn extra income, and then just click to the OK. Then do you currently have traffic on audience to promote to? No, I don't have consistent traffic source for our existing audience. Just click to the OK. And then how do you plan to generate traffic? Website, this is quite good, or we can go with Facebook, any of them. So I will click on here, or I can go to the paid social advertising marketing. I will go with this one, and then I will click over here, select all of Clickbank tools you would be interested. I will click to the none and then click to the OK, and which best describes why you selected none. I already on or more of these tools. I don't see how these tools can benefit me. I already have. Just click to the OK. And here, how did you hear about Clickbank? Let's type YouTube and then click to the OK. And here they are telling us what email address would you like to use for this new account. So I will copy my email address from that place, the mailbox, and then I will paste it here. The process is really simple. As you can see it, how easy the process was. Just click to the submit. Once you click over here, based on your answer, you are almost ready to start promoting product. But first you need to discover how beginners are earning their first paycheck faster on. Okay, let's watch the video, and I hope so this will be a good one. I will learn something. So here actually you can see this is the video. Okay, that's great. So now here you just need to be sign up for sales channel. So everything you need to launch your career as an affiliate marketer. So you can go with this one. So that's really amazing. So I will come back to the Clickbank again, and let's hit enter, and then here I'll go to this platform. Once I did, then I'll click to the start here again, and now I will eventually skip this quick start guide. Like I just only show you how easy the process was. So here you can see join our Clickbank. So your information will never be shared and sold. So here you just need to be you just need to be select your country. You could come from any country. Here they are supported. Like if your country is supported, then you are allowed to choose it from that place. So here I just need to be find it out my country. Does they are able to get it here? So let's find it out. So they don't provide the country, I think. So they here, I think we found out the Australia. Then you just need to provide your first name, last name, email address, password. And once you're done here, you just need to be check it out, and you just need to be continue the terms and conditions, and then you just need to be select this one, and just here you just need to be click join Clickbank. And this is the easiest way to join yourself into the Clickbank and start promoting their link and earn a passive income from this Clickbank platform. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you on the next video with an interesting topic again.